We're continuing our list of winter-style Mai Tais today. We've got a really fun one. Nicole found this Torani coffee syrup, or Italian ice syrup, whatever you want to call it. It's called Forest Pine. So we're going to make the Forest Pine Mai Tai. You excited for this one?
I'm actually really excited for this one. I've been waiting.
Yeah, she got like 3 of these syrups, and they're all really good. So let's get... All right, here we are. Let's start off with the Forest Pine Mai Tai. We're going to start with a 1/2 ounce of the Forest Pine syrup. 1/2 ounce of orgeat. Set it down next. 1/2 ounce of orange curaçao.
Look. Okay.
1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice.
Want me to measure this one, huh? Just gonna put it in. Ooh.
That's probably 1/2 ounce.
You know what? I think I'm gonna put a little extra just because I think we need. I'm not gonna do the whole, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there. Okay. All right.
All right. 2 ounces of Appleton Estate.
Okay. Let's do that. There. I'm excited. Very excited.
Shake it up. I'm going to shake these.
I'm really excited. I'm wondering, is it going to be green?
Well,
the syrup's green.
I think it's green, but I don't know if it's enough to tint it. Let's see. It is not green.
Nope. Darn. I was hoping it would have
I think with the Mai Tai, you really never get out of the color of the Mai Tai.
So let's just put the lime in there. Let's do that. Let's do a little bit of mint just to make it kind of cool, kind of pretty.
Lime and mint.
There we go.
And we need to add a 1/2 ounce of
And we're gonna do a float.
float.
I love the sound. That's pretty. And we did the trader. So let's see. I'm really interested. I've had this in coffee, and
this is all stuck together.
I've had it by itself. So you're gonna let me?
Go. You go first. Yeah, you try it.
Okay. Well, here we go. The Forest Pine Mai Tai. Wow. You put the float down in there a little more. These mint things, I tell you. I like to jam the mint down into my drink. Jeff doesn't like it like that, so.
Yeah, I do. I don't like mint. I'll never drink a Paloma. That's the one with the mint, isn't it?
No.
Paloma?
No.
What's the one with the mint?
Now you just made me draw a blank.
Anyway,
we'll
put
be
it
back
right
on
here. And anytime I get a drink with mint, I do the obligatory one drink, and then the mint comes out and gets tossed on the lime. So.
Okay, so let's see what this is like when we have it kind of mixed down in there. Because that's good. That's really good. A mojito.
Mojito, that's what it is, yeah.
Mojito.
We already had a mojito right here, though. So.
Yeah, well, that's okay. My brain just always works that way. All right.
That's good. It's got a bit of flavor, and I can't really pin it. I can't really pin it down. But it's definitely different than a Mai Tai. My lips are a little numb. I think it's your lipstick, not the.
It is. It's my lipstick.
So it's got a good range. It's got a good range of flavor. I can definitely taste the lime. I can definitely taste the Appleton, and we've got the little bit of orange from that, and the curacao. We've got the little bit of the dark rum, but the other stuff that's in there from the syrup, I think, is what's weird, and I'm not used to seeing it. And she was asking if it was green, because this stuff is like olive green. It is dark, super dark green.
I think it needs a little. I originally it was going to be 3/4 of an ounce, and I thought maybe we should cut it back to a half. I kind of feel like it needs a little more.
It could do more. It could handle it. But man, you smell this, and it's like glass cleaner. Like it smells.
Well,
like
it's pine.
Yeah,
So.
Pine, and they say it says it tastes like pine and wild ginger and sage. But
it's not soapy. It's not soapy.
It smells soapy, but it doesn't.
So I feel like it needs a little more.
You want to try it on its own?
No, I've already tried it on its own. I put it in my coffee. The reason why I had us cut it back is I did try it in my coffee one morning, and I put a little too much in there, and I thought, wow. I didn't want it to add the sweet to the drink, but I think that
it doesn't seem very sweet.
No, it's not. But with the extra lime in there, I think that'll help cut that off and make it a little less sugary. You know, because
I like that. Yeah.
There we go.
So it is 3/4 ounce.
It's 3/4 ounce.
Recipe adjusted, 3/4 ounce.
Yeah, recipe adjusted for sure, of the forest pine syrup. So you said that you're kind of getting what off of it?
I get the tasting notes. I get the wild ginger, a little bit of the pine.
Yeah.
It's a little herby, which is kind of interesting.
I was just going to say it has a nice herbaceous, floral at the same time note that kind of passes over, the taste buds, and you can taste it and smell it at the same time, which is really nice.
It's got a really good smell.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a good flavor for
winter flavor
for a Mai Tai. I think I like it. It's
like we don't ever do companion meals, but I have a hard time with a lot of tiki drinks with like actual food, because so many tiki drinks, anytime you see them somewhere, they're associated with like Asian food. So it's always like pot stickers and stuff like that, or noodles or whatever. But like you could do like some
steak with
this for sure. And like I
would do a steak.
Never see a pairing of like a Mai Tai, especially with a steak. But this you could enjoy this with a steak.
I would love a nice steak or some ribs. I would do some ribs with this too. It's really good. I just really like that wintry. I like that wintry feeling of the pine. Again, the smell to me is beautiful. I mean, what attracted me to ordering this was when I read the description of it, and I thought, wow, that just sounds fun and it sounds tasty, and I can't imagine it being bad. Very surprised when I got it, but I like it. It's like you have that. It's like you're going through a pine forest and you can smell it, and then you get that herb. Like I said earlier, you kind of get that herb tasting.
Yeah, and it says all natural ingredients. Well, I mean, like whether how much that is true or not. Where it's not like super artificial.
I don't think there's much artificial in there.
And it does not taste like what it smells like, that's for sure.
I don't think there's a lot of artificial in there.
It's a good blend in here. And I could see, like, if you went to an ounce, it would, like, overpower. It's one of those, like, orange flower water, anything like that, or lavender, where it's like, this much is perfect, and, like, half a thimbleful more is just destroys the entire thing. You got a bar of soap. That's exactly what this would be.
Agreed. So
it's good. On a Mai Tai scale, I'd give this a 5. We finished it before we even got to
obviously
where we ranked them, so I think that's a pretty good good delineator stuff.
I think we just answered the question. I'm going to give it a 5 as well. It hits every single component of a Mai Tai, and it has a fun little flavor on there too. So it doesn't take away from a Mai Tai; it just adds to it.
Yeah, it's like I said, I always go for like the roll of flavors, and I've got that with a little bit more complexity of the pine and ginger and sage going through there. Which are kind of all kind of compressed. The ginger I can kind of pick out, but it's a good little bit of flavor, and you can tell all of it in there. So it hits the Mai Tai taste to me.
5 Mai Tais.
As a cocktail?
Oh, I'm gonna give it 5.
Yeah. Same.
Absolutely. If I ordered this and it came, I'd be very, very excited and happy, and I would probably drink it down as quick as we did here and want another one. So
yeah, I would give this a 5. I'm going to go pick up some steak that we can thin slice and serve with this tomorrow. I
will say that I would not garnish this with mint. I think I would garnish it with like a rosemary. I'd put a rosemary in there. Just, cool. You know, for wintertime, I think that would add to the olfactory of smelling it as you're sipping it. I think I would do a beautiful rosemary sprig in there.
What about sage? What does sage look like?
Sage looks a lot like mint. Different ones can look a little bit like the mint, but I kind of feel like that, it wouldn't. I think the rosemary would be the way to go.
One other drink, that's gone.
I know.
All right. Well, it's an easy, quick one when it's gone before we get to the review. So go ahead and make this one. Enjoy it. Where'd you find the syrup?
I went online to Torani, and they have a lot of different flavors. I read through them. I bought a couple others, so we're going to be making a few other Mai Tais. But I just went online and bought it at the website, Torani.
All right. Sounds good. Not a sponsor, but maybe they should be. We get them to send us a whole bunch of syrup.
Maybe they will.
Good idea. So if you're listening, anyway, give us a like, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you try it. Let us know if you modified it any way or shape or form. And don't forget to subscribe and share the videos, please, as much as you can. Share anything on Instagram, anything like that. We're close. We're getting there. We're about to hit 500, so hopefully we will by the time this one comes out. So, all right. Thank you.
Bye.